benefit from what science is discovering about how vitamins and minerals can help support your energy, immunity, and your good health. Try Centrum. Centrum, complete from A to Z.
It's the office. You just can't miss. 6 months half price. Installation free. 6 months half price. Sounds good to me. Happy Year, everyone.
There's never been a better time to get Foxtel. Get 50% off for 6 months with free installation. Hurry, this offer won't last. Call Foxtel now on 131 787.
This financial new year, my resolution is to get my business in shape.
Better organise my finances.
Broaden my markets.
Talk to our business bankers about a plan to reach your goals. Happy financial new year.
Last week, live on Hey Hey, Lucky got airborne, and the guy on the pogo stick tried another fancy move. It was a sweet little fairy.
This is a mercy killing.
And some opera. And Wednesday, 7:30, Private House.
There's international psychic medium Shawn. Plus, we catch up with Jackie.
And Pete Saturday, Wednesday, 7:30, only on 9.
Do you know what's wrong with Ferrari at the moment?
No, but I'm guessing you're going to tell us.
Yes, I am.
Yeah, I know what it is, though. It's that they spend too much time making aftershave and carbon fibre crash helmets that match the dashboard of your car, even though you haven't actually got one.
Well, that's all true, but it's all about the plumbing and the wiring and the computer systems. That's the trouble. When I drive a Ferrari, I want it to be all about passion and excitement. You might think this would fit the bill. But it's going to be a ton and a bit of Italian engineering for the soul. It's a tightened up, stripped and striped version of the normal 430. Sadly though, it's called the Scuderia, which is Italian for tea. That means it has a silly name. It also has a silly, grinning face. And wait till you see what they've done to the inside. Lamborghini and Porsche go to great lengths with their light and supercars to conceal how and where all the weight has been saved. Ferrari were going to do that, but then they just decided that there's a really good restaurant opposite the factory, and they went there instead and just had some lunch. Look at it. There are no carpets, no satellite navigation, no stereo, no frills at all, and it appears to have been welded together by ends. You might imagine that because this is missing 100 kilograms of weight and equipment, it would be considerably less expensive than the standard car. But no, that is £172,000. It's £43,000 more. There's more bad news too. It's got an even more